Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
JAZOMY home.
In today's video we're gonna be talking about a topic that we wanted to talk for a long time.
You can imagine the...
I think if you've been watching us for a while now, you know what we're talking about.
Let us know in the comments if you think you know what it is. Like right now. Leave us in the comments what do you think it is. So basically what happened is that we visit our island, Puerto Rico. And just to like visit our family and to see our house there because we have a house. We're going to leave you guys the links of those videos in the description box. But basically we visit the house to like paint it because it's made out of wood. So we want to make sure that it's in good condition and everything. And we fall in love with the house again.
Yes. I mean, we've been talking about this topic for a while now between Jazz and me. Like considering going back to Puerto Rico, because even though we like it here in Florida, we really like Puerto Rico too. We have family over there. We also have our own house that we don't need to pay rent. And we've been thinking about it because here we've been living in Florida for almost six years. We don't know what happens, but we've been trying to buy a house since the beginning. For some reason, we couldn't do it. We couldn't do it. I don't know why, because we had both of us work and we can pay it and we have the money to do it. But it wasn't for us, like I guess. And we were thinking like, hey, because we were looking for a house like in a rural area, like with trees, maybe forest nearby, because that's what we like to do. But then we visit Puerto Rico to fix the house because we were thinking on renting it. But then we thought like, hey, isn't this what we were looking for a long time ago?
Like we was looking just for the same thing that we
just have. That we just have. And like then nature, we don't need to pay rent or nothing.
No rent.
Exactly.
We can fix the house because it's our home. We can do anything we want. We know our house. I mean, like every piece of wood, we know where it's in the house.
And we work from home. It's not that we need to change jobs or nothing because we work from home and we have the ability to do it. There's nothing that stop us from doing it. So we thought like, hey, why don't we move back there? And then we start thinking about it.
Why not?
Why not? Exactly. Like we work from home. So there's no string attached to be here. Okay.
For jobs or anything.
For jobs or anything. We were thinking about starting comparing how expensive is the food, how expensive is the electricity in both areas. And comparing things like that. And basically after gathering all the information that we need and comparing everything, we got into a conclusion that we should move, at least for now. And see how the things go.
It's a big change because it's not like, oh, we're moving from Florida to, I don't know, Georgia, Tennessee. No. Puerto Rico is like, we live here, Puerto Rico is there, and it's water in between.
It's a long move. A long distance move.
Big move. And it's an expensive move.
Exactly, it's also an expensive move.
We are basically going to move just a few stuff on boxes.
We just got 10 boxes and they are 18 by 18 by 28. So that's all we got.
That means that we need to sell everything.
Almost everything. Yes. And we've been selling already. We've been selling already. Our house basically looks really empty compared to like 2 months ago.
So guys, we just want to share like what is happening what is going to happen, what maybe like the next few videos are going to be about, because it's a big change. We have some plans that we need like basically to cancel, some DIYs that we really want to do, but right now it doesn't even make sense to make them because we're going to move and things change. We're supposed to move, we were supposed to move next year, but
something happens that we are actually need to move like in 2 to 3 months. Yes.
Maybe 2 months.
Probably 2 months.
And because all of the move is going to go to Puerto Rico, we need to do it now. Like, we have only like 2 weeks to put everything on boxes and send them
straight
there
to Puerto Rico,
because it's going to take like maybe 6 weeks or more.
A month and a half or
be
more.
There.
Yes.
And once we are in Puerto Rico, I really want to have like all of the move and everything. So we have 2 weeks to pack everything that we want to move to Puerto Rico.
To be ready when we get there. We're kind of stressed and excited at the same time. We don't know what the feelings we have.
So many. And so many people fell in love with our house in Puerto Rico, and that makes us super happy and excited because you were saying, oh, you can do so many things, and we want to do all of those things to our house, to our home.
And we have many plans to do in that house in Puerto Rico to make it comfortable for us, like to have some of the features that we have in a house here, like should I mention it?
No.
Okay, so that will be for another video.
But so many things are going to change in that house. I'm really excited. So guys, I want to show you what we have in our house, what we're going to move, what we're going to sell, because in the next few videos, that's what you're going to see, like all of the move and everything. I'm gonna try to record all of that for you. So let me show you what we have. Okay, so basically this is our fireplace. It's decorated for fall. I need to remove all of the decoration. We need to sell this beauty. It's a DIY. We have a video on how we decorate everything, so make sure that you check the links in the description box. This is our play rack. I think it's going to stay here because the owner wants this. This is our entry table that you DIY.
Yes.
And I think we need to sell that too. We cannot move like
many items that we really don't want to sell or leave them here in Florida because we want it over there. But we can make it anyway.
Also, I mean, like we can move them, but it's going to cost a lot.
Yeah, it's gonna be super expensive.
Yeah, and there we can make more and have more content for you guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
So this is the TV, the console table. That's the name of this thing? I don't know. We need to sell that, sell everything. The sofa and the love seat. We need to sell this. The table. Everything.
Well, not everything, because that coffee maker is gonna go.
We have the, oh my god, this is a big mess. I'm gonna show you because I don't care. But the office is a mess. No more. We need to sell everything, and also the kids' beds and the garage. We have a lot of stuff. Let me show you. Oh, no way. There. Okay, we have a mess here because we already start like the moving, like the things that we want, things that we want to sell, toys that the kids doesn't want anymore. Or that are not coming with us to Puerto Rico. So yeah, let me show you. These are the boxes that we have. They are pretty small. They're big, but we can't put a sofa in there. So that's what we have to put our move. We have more there. We got about like 10 boxes. 10 boxes, yeah.
Yep.
This is a project that we wanted to make, but now because of the moving, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. We want to do like this cabinet, really high-end look, black and all of that. I don't know.
We're gonna remove these on the back and then paint it in another color.
To use it in our home, but right now it doesn't.
We have some fixes here that needed to be done.
Yeah.
Some pet shoe it and.
But I don't know if we are gonna be able to have time and to do it, because if we do it, we need to sell. So yeah, I don't know.
So.
Maybe we can.
Maybe.
Who knows?
Let's see how the trend goes.
And yeah, bicycles.
Bicycles, I'm gonna get those.
Yeah, those are coming with us.
Yeah.
They need to come with us.
Yeah.
And yeah.
We have a washer.
All of that is decoration. Just.
Yeah, she have all the decorations here.
Yeah, I have
like
Christmas.
tree, especially Christmas tree. She will only get like 3 of them, and then there's gonna be like 5 that she's gonna sell. Anyway.
Yeah. And yeah, that telescope is coming with us. All of the tools need to come with us to be able to fix our home there. Mm-hmm. That's where I record my video. Oh my god, it's a mess.
Yeah, there's a mess here.
That's where I record all of my DIYs. All of that need to go. But yeah, guys, we want to share those news with you because.
Yes, we're super excited, and we hope you guys support us like always. We're gonna be moving and doing so many new stuff in Puerto Rico, and the good thing is that it's our house and we can do whatever we want. It's not like here we couldn't do like major changes to the house because it's not ours and we're not gonna break
Everything
it.
we do is like rental friendly. Right now it's gonna be like a game changer. It's gonna be all different.
Completely
new
different.
content, so much content that we can do for you guys. So we really hope that you stay with us in this journey. It's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be stressful, but we want you to be part of the whole process. So make sure, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe.
YouTube, Instagram, we have Facebook, Twitter. We are in all
the platforms.
In all platforms. Not only us, we have DIY by Jazz also, and YouTube and all the other platforms. So follow us, guys. There's pretty good content that we share for you guys, and it's stuff that we like to do and we enjoy doing it. So stay tuned and see you in the next one.
Bye.